YouTube. Today I'm gonna how to shade with cheat engine 6.2 and Minecraft 1.6.2, and it's a really easy tutorial. You go in your cheat engine and then you click on this, and then I have two, yeah, I don't know why. Yeah. Then you click on your Java and open. When you have opened it, you see you have 16 there now. 16, and then you take 16, and then you take first scan. And then you take you back to game. You drop one of them like this. Now you have 15. Now you type your 15, and then you take next scan. And then you drop one. Now you have 14. Now you type the 14 and then next scan. And then you only have one. Draw down here. And then right click on this. Take browse this memory region. Already, and I don't this is good. And then what you see, the 03, you go in this. You take edit. And if you want to have diamonds, and I can show you what you want to have now. If we say you go here, I already have downloaded. I have downloaded cheat engine to subs. So now I'm cheat engine watch cheat engine. Yeah, and now you click on Minecraft ID list, and then here Minecraft ID list, and then you will say you want to have stone. You take one in this, and I want to have let's say I want to have a diamond block is 57, and then you go in your cheat engine again. You'll go in your cheat engine, and then you type 57, and I'm not so good in English, you know. Then you take okay, and then you try down this, and then you take drag and value there on the downloads, and then you take how much I want to have like this, and then you take okay. Then you go in your Minecraft. Look, you have block of diamonds. You have really much block of diamonds, really much. And now you can pick up your dirt again, and you can get what you want. If you don't want a diamond, you can get armor. You can get what you want in this. If you look, diamond ore, workbench, warning furnace, signpost, wood and door block, rails, cobblestone, all growing redstone ore. It's much like cake block, redstone repeater is much locket chest. It's much like if you don't have mod, it's all the time the mods here. You can take this. This is really nice, and look, repair, beacon block, flour, carrots, potatoes, mob head. This is really cool. It's a mob head, but I think it's really easy. So you have here armor and all. Let's see more. You can get mob head, skeleton, mob head with skeleton, creeper, human, and zombie. And here you see all this. So actually is really cool. So this was what I gonna record. So I really want to subscribe and bed block, and goodbye.